Right. Wait, why? Whoa! Wait, hold on. Wait. Hey, do that shit again. Jump on the wood again.
Jump on the wood again?
Bro, that's this top part eroding, bro.
Jump on the wood again? Jump on the wood again. Run across, bro. Be way faster. You finna bust. When you fall, make sure you don't land on your head.
Oh, yeah, y'all good.
Yo, I have this nigga's phone.
Throw it to him.
Yeah.
Into the water.
This nigga threw a dunk, bro. When you get right there, you get on that, man. You good.
Oh, this is low too easy.
Yeah. Damn.
Bro, I'm not doing this, bro.
Do it right, nigga.
It's a fucking safe. Whoa, you are. What?
Oh, yeah. Hey, he's finna become a fish.
No.
He's finna become a fish.
Right here.
This nigga finna go for a swim. What?
Hey, bro, come on, bro.
Bro, that's poison ivy, ain't it?
No.
Alright.
You would know.
Come on, bro.
You're Liberian.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That way. He swam that way.
These niggas ran, bro. Why y'all running, bro? These niggas running, man. I'm not finna run. I got slides on. He sound happy as shit. Go check this shit out. Fuck. Yo. What? Oh. Hey, this shit. That ass? No, you can't, bro. Just. Oh, it smell like ass. Leave it to me to find some nice shit. That's like a big ass dam, though. I'm not gonna lie, it looks huge. Can't tell on the camera, but.
What? Some tribal shit.
What'd you see?
Look.
Oh. Oh. I ain't messing with that.
Is that a dam? What is that?
Where? Don't shake your hair. Tell us what it is. Oh, okay.
My fucking God, bro.
You feel like something's on my ankles.
That's all I'm saying, bro.
This looks insane.
I definitely take water. Now, but if you did like live here, that's like infinite water, except this shit over there. That's
You
just
gotta clean it first. You gotta like purify it.
Yeah.
It's just like Stone Mountain kind of with these big rocks. Bro, have you ever climbed Stone Mountain?
You talking about the hill, nigga?
I'm talking about the hill, the mountains, bro. Well, not mountain, whatever this is. Dude, that looks insane. Y'all try to slip and slide?
Nigga, if it was winter, hell yeah.
Winter? Yo, that's a death trap, yo. Anyway, I don't trust this. How the fuck you get over there?
Hop that.
Hey, you trying to jump?
Hop that.
No, don't do that. You gonna bust your knee. He know he got rods in his shit. Yo, he almost busted. You know, I'm gonna take the safe route. I'm nothing like these niggas. You gotta climb? Ooh. Hey, get the cam.
I got it already.
Yes. Oh, that's disgusting. I got it.
What?
Oh, this is still water.
Yeah, this is disgusting.
It's flowing on the bottom, not the top.
Ain't gonna lie.
Those who know.
Let's go the other way. Let's go the other way, bro. It's nasty.
How deep y'all think this is, though?
Too deep.
Jump in and see.
Hell no.
Hey, get a stick.
I bet you it's metal bars all through here too.
Fries. Gotta get way up the spot. Man, I can't say that, but I got the qualifications, bro.
They had some grip on that one.
See, that's what I was trying not to say, bro.
Oh, you got good grip, bro.
So,
Why you over there?
I did that. It don't matter.
Oh, that's what we gotta leave before it gets dark. Oh, fuck.
yo, why my weather app unavailable, bro?
What you mean, dog?
Why my shit not working, bro?
You lying. Man, if we stranded, man, if we stranded, bro. Oh, we black, bro, we good. Helped us last time.
Black niggas gonna get lost.
I know the right though. Niggas got that good memory.
It's a Liberian shit. It's in his blood. Hey, yeah, we off the trail, bro. Come on.
No, it's ready.
I don't know why he running.
Hey, you put this bitch on the
Y'all
part
think I
two.
can catch up to him?
Why do they have to? Why he run like that? I hate walking with these niggas, bro. Cause I'm not finna run. I got on slides, bro. I'm not finna run. I told you, we bro. Nah, cause I told you, bro. That treadmill ain't nothing. We was at the gym. We hit legs and shit. I was like, man, we're not finna hit the treadmill, bro. We did 2 minutes on it. God, I was like, yeah, let's go hit. Hey, slow down. I was like, he just threw a rock. Bro, I'm walking, bro. Hey, bro, we was at the treadmill. I was like, yo, let's just hit the trail, bro. Fuck that damn treadmill. That's not good cardio. Well, it's good cardio, but it's boring. This isn't boring. Look at this. This is scenic.
It's forward.
I don't trust no bunny alligators after last time, bro.
He fucking mutations out this.
But this look beautiful, bro.
How the leaves start at one place?
This is beautiful. That's beautiful. This is lucky getting. This is cool as fuck. I don't care, bro. This is cool. Why are y'all running? I need new friends. Niggas know I'm trying to show off the shit. Hey, yep, they wanted to. Where did they go? They just wanted to. Yeah. If you whisper something, hey, cut that out, bro. I don't want to find out that's. I want to find out if that's true or not.
My phone on 10, bro.
10.
I ain't got
I
no
could have
service.
sworn this shit was on 100.
I ain't got no service.
I got service.
Hey, let's go ahead, sir.
Look up the exact time the sun fully sets and it goes dark.
Bro, it's already getting dark. Let's just go. It's like 7. It's like 8 o'clock. Should get dark at 9. We got an hour to get back, and we don't know where the fuck we at.
Whoa, why is here work? When the sun set?
Man,
8:04.
Wow, when does the sun fully set?
what time is it now? I think it's 7. It's about 8, ain't it?
When does it reach nighttime?
Bro,
Hey, Daddy, look at this.
Well,
Told you we caught this shit.
we heard it.
Oh shit.
what the? Alright, yeah, let's go ahead and get out of here, man.
That nigga been say some of this shit.
Like a fucking beast. My nose snotty as hell.
I ain't telling no allergies.
Hey, keep it being, bro. Aren't you glad you got off the treadmill, bro?
Hell yeah.
I wasn't about to do that.
I'm
30,
just doing a fucking mean ass workout.
30-minute incline. I was not about to do that, bro. This is way more cardio for sure.
I ain't like you trying to hit this shit.
We could. Oh, this is a good spot to sit, man. Hey, they got chairs over here. Sit on that bitch, Eddie. Hey, yo. Hey. Man, sit on the pole, bro. The fuck?
Oh.
Hey, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah, ankles are done. Let's get the hell out. We're burning daylight again, bro. It's already getting dark.
Ain't that crazy? Nigga,
What would you do when you get back? What'd you do when you get back?
I'm up and
Nigga, hold on.
But the thing is like,
That nigga Rick, but Rick should have been. But he did. Wait, hold on. He tried to too.
Oh yeah, he did.
In the bathroom when there's like, when there, damn.
And then she sat.
When they went in there, like that one fucking lab.
Yeah, the lab. We was at the lab.
Hot water shit. Nigga trying to crack down.
If I was Rick, bro, I would have been boom.
Remember that black lady?
Oh shit! Hold on, get that nigga. They're not killing frogs, but if you do, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Hey, bro, that grapefruit looking at me like it's like he wants something.
You see that bit? Oh,
Damn,
all right,
bro.
hey, leave him alone. Hey, he's
twin though.
bro, he's suicidal as shit. Leave him close to the ground. You see that bit? My nigga. Yo, watch out, bro. Oh shit. Alright, let's leave that nigga be.
I'm putting by the water.
Now leave. Tell me more about that.
Martin Luther King has his speech right here, nigga. The fucking I had a dream speech, nigga.
Man, they boomed that nigga Martin Luther King.
Oh, definitely, nigga.
He was right here where he died.
Stupid.
They said that man was a pimp, bro.
Martin Luther King was.
He might have deserved to die slick.
What are y'all talking about?
Martin Luther King.
Nah, they started
That's
saying
why
all
white
this
people
shit talking about he was a pimp.
Nigga, they hate Martin Luther King and but
Yeah, because of him.
Abraham Lincoln.
Hey, am I tripping or just shit steep as fuck?
Oh god.
Oh shit.
He said he did.
Damn,
Nigga right there.
I'm gonna about the bus.
Nigga, what? Nobody did hit us, nigga. I ain't laughing.
Dude, this shit steep as a bit.
That's why white niggas love us, though.
Wait, what?
My sister ain't even.
That nigga shit brown, bro. That nigga Jaden shit brown already.
I ain't gonna lie. Where the fuck we going?
He's just walking. Nigga.
Hey, it'll be comfy if you ride a bike down here. This should be crazy.
You would die immediately.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm too comfy.
Down there, nigga. Crazy.
No, bitch, that shit outside too. Why you like shit on my socks?
But why y'all got shoes on, bro?
Not brown like nigga. I'm confused. You should've got that on video, man.
Bro, I missed it, bro.
Oh, nigga.
Two nigga on God.
What the fuck?
It's three, nigga, it's three.
Oh, that's calm. Oh, God.
God.
Why am I recording?
Nah, I'm gonna take a picture.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm going down there. They recording me. No.
Yeah, you gonna bust your ass.
What?
Sneak up on him. He's like a.
Nigga, you already making noises and shit, bro. Look at that. You won't.
Dude, I can.
I ain't gonna lie, he bold.
Nigga, it's two down there.
What the fuck are you doing? This nigga. Yeah, they gone, bro.
Yeah, I already done.
Says this nigga.
Those are probably one of the most dumb.
I like motherfucking shoes, bro.
Bro, I told you, bro.
My shit got no grip.
I don't know why you wore Yeezy slides.
I ain't gonna lie. Wait.
Yeah, that shit moving.
Where am I doing?
Bro, that's the deer. That's the deer right there, bro.
Where?
It's down there. Y'all see? This what? Bro, I just seen that shit.
Right before they get hit. Fuck me, Connor.
Interesting. Dude,
That's a weird slave, nigga. This is slavery. Yeah, guys.
this shit too big.
We're inside of fucking slavery.
Chill out.
Oh, that is a deer. Hey, you can't see me. Wait. Oh, no.
Run up on that nigga.
Drew, you attracting? Look like they take it out.
What?
You know they'll kick you? You know they'll kick you, right? You need some kick. Hey, go back to baby.
These niggas sneaking up on deer. You see them niggas. Oh. Yo. But run up on that nigga, bro. What's wrong with these niggas? Hey. Are we dead ass? Oh yeah, bro. Can't take these niggas nowhere. Yo, what are you doing, bro? This nigga's taking a piss. Well, we found the water. I'm gonna go down there in a minute. These niggas already advanced. Yeah, we took it straight away here. So where we at, nigga?
They say you are here. You right here, ain't it?
Oh, no, I think you're going this way.
So where the fuck the bamboo at?
You right here.
Yeah, I think you're going this way. think you're going that way.
Going which way?
That way. That way. That way.
Going which way?
Wait.
So, oh, shit. Fat, bro. I think fat is a.
Hang on. Wait, it's more than one. Damn, it's a family, nigga.
Oh, let's look at the water though.
And they go swimming.
No.
Shit probably contaminated with meat.
You can go down here. That's not safe at all.
No. I think we'll be alright.
Where'd you go to the bridge?
I'll get down. Wait, is it? I ain't got extra clothes for sure. Wait, whoa. I thought I heard a snake. I thought I heard a hiss, nigga.
Thought you heard a hiss.
There's these nuts in your mouth.
Oh, almost a trip. You don't want to see a snake. Hey, I'll show you a snake. Hey, come over here. Hey, come over here.
That one looks pumping.
Oh, it look way better up there.
Yeah, over there.
Yeah, don't bust your ass, Jaden.
Oh, yeah, it got
What the?
Nigga really get right in that gym.
You just lifted a midget.
Nah, this water clean. Oh, let's go clean.
Let's see if you can see a fish in there. Fucking duck. This nigga trying to take a flick.
Why you stop eating?
Yo, he tearing that shit up.
Hey, where's he
Fat ass nigga. Are you taking a picture of
at?
that?
Hey, that shit calm.
You taking a picture of a fat ass squirrel? Oh my god, look like fans. Look like fans.
Nice. That looks.
Oh, look at that dog by itself.
What is that? Whoa. What is that? Oh no, that's his dog.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this looks amazing, bro. Niggas in nature.
I'm telling you, bro. I ain't no business like this. You know, I'm a hood nigga. Hey, take a flick at me.
You not no hood? What? I don't think hood niggas do that, bro.
But B just said I look like a monkey in the
Yo, what do you do?
Hey, nigga, it's the sunlight, bro.
Oh, that's how you get your flicks on. Wait, nigga.
Oh yeah, man. Just beautiful.
I'm gonna make a TikTok real quick, nigga.
Hey, throw me in the bed too. Look
God,
at
nigga.
this nigga stance.
Oh, you know what you done.
Hey, push him in. I'll give you $500.
$500?
500.
You know that, bro.
500 if you put that nigga in.
I mean, shit.
You could die, you know
On God, 500.
500.
You could
I
die.
ain't gonna tell you this.
No, so.
You could die, you know that.
Yo.
Hey, bitch, ass.
You know one time I fucked your tails, nigga? Get on the dark one.
You saw what?
Armadillo.
Where that? Hey, I seen a little bamboo, bro.
Where?
Look. This shit, if we go deeper, it's.
Oh, armadillo.
Man, what's.
Well, you know they got Lyme disease, right? Wait, yeah, put a stick in there, see.
This nigga pussy, I'll do that shit.
Hey, remember, armadillos carry Lyme disease, nigga.
Man, walk up through. We straight.
Oh, shit.
Oh!
What is that? What is that? Look. Oh.
What? What'd you see?
Hey, they get freaky.
Oh, God, she throwing
Bruh.
that. Hey, let's.
Teddy, you just walk.
He gonna bust his ass, bro.
How the fuck get over there? How the fuck you get over there?
He waded through the water.
Wait, is that sand, bro? That's the water, my man.
Yeah, nigga. That one right there, bro. Behind you, nigga.
I'm straight from the land, nigga. I don't get no fuck.
He said I'm straight from Atlanta. I'll go fuck.
You're not getting that shit. You a hoe, nigga. Hey, hold my shit up. Better than you in football. Hold my shit up. I was better than you in football.
Give it to him.
I was better than you. I was better than you in football.
Why the fuck you got keys?
I don't know.
Why do you have keys?
I gotta get in the house. Fuck. So I was better than you. I was better than you in football. Yeah. All right. You might be Atlanta certified.
That nigga said I'm straight from Atlanta.
I don't know about this one, dog.
Jump that shit. If them niggas can do it, you can do it, bro. Bro, throw it one up. Bro, just jump.
Yo.
Bro, you be straight, bro.
But nah, you'll be straight. Yeah, just jump. It ain't.
Come on, gang. Finna bust his damn ass. Bust that nigga. Oh, my God. Niggas know how. Oh, niggas know how I do. Nah, y'all know me, man. I'm not doing that shit too long later. Dumbass boy.
Yeah. Parkour, nigga.
Oh, word?
Alright. Yeah. You got it.
Whoa!
What you talking about, boy?
Fuck me there, bro.
What the fuck? Okay. What you think living there?
Huh?
What you think living there?
Probably some no nigga, no, not no little shit, nigga.
I don't know. What animals is out here, nigga?
I live in that shit, nigga.
Just pretty believable.
Oh, nigga, you know you live 8. Nice. Get the little.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck is your ringtone?
You petting that bitch.
Let me check.
Hey, Sean, what you got, bro? Let me see. Where the bit at?
That shit go.
You right there. We can chase him with the damn centipede. Alright, leave that nigga alone. You
Chase
heard-
who?
Fucking his ass. Yo, you're caught, nigga. You're caught, bro. You know
That's your fucking mouth, bitch. Wait, there's no point in jumping right here. Nigga, if I had shoes, this would be so fun.
You ever actually have to jump back? Oh my fucking god. Yeah, more cool when they come back. I don't.
Jump right up that ass. Not how you do it.
Yeah, they're done. Oh my god. Ah!
Nice. Oh yeah, he good.
Yo, nice, nice,
Do that, nigga. I can just jump. Oh god, that shit not even far.
nice,
Wait,
Jay.
I ain't gonna lie. Before you jump, let me do it. Oh,
Oh, what the? Jump, bro.
no, your fuck too big. Look at that, bro.
You can make a big ass blast.
Shit. Oh, who the fuck a bitch? Oh, shit. Hold this shit, bro. Shit. Let me have that shit.
Hey, get my slides up.
Nigga, Dracos ain't Dracos.
That shit in the water, nigga.
Damn, this shit mud. Hey, fuck that.
He finna die. You gonna die over there,
Go ahead, bro.
bro. I told you I had to get back, bro.
Nigga, you see why? I'm that athletic nigga.
Niggas don't listen to me.
Doing my shit, gang?
Niggas don't listen to me when I.
Do that, nigga. I got my shit.
No, my pockets.
Did I tell you about to slip fall in the water?
I'm gonna catch it. Throw one in. I ain't dropping. Fuck me. Why did I follow y'all niggas? Because
You went first.
Myself, nigga, I'm across. Bitch,
Ah,
you
watch
a
out,
hoe.
watch out,
Yeah.
watch out, watch out, watch
Yo,
out, watch
you a
out.
hoe. You a hoe. Jada gonna make it too. You a bitch. Yeah. Yeah. Talking all that shit. He gonna bust his ass. Make it though. He made it.
That nigga hit that water.
I ain't hit that water.
My knee hurt.
I'm bad. Your knee bent, ain't it? My shit hit like a bitch.
What?
You barely made it, nigga. I'm fucking suck. I'm the only nigga that ain't touched no water. Drew, I'm a real nigga. Yo,
Bro, I told you I was going to get back. This nigga shoes. The
I suck. Where is it? Go on now. You said what?
Yo.
Nice running, bro. Little black 8. Oh, really? Bitch, both your niggas are fucking broke. I don't give a fuck. What nigga, Jordan, you go nowhere in life. Let me see your grandma. Let me see your grandma transaction. Nigga, $20 the hell out of his grandma every week, nigga. Let me see the transactions. You scared that's a dad for some money because he gonna say no. He gonna say no because your dad don't fucking like you. He hates you, nigga. He fucking hates you, bitch. Let me see the transactions. Fuck off.
Yo, do that shit again.
Yo, I woke up, bro. I'm steaming.